It took me quite a long time to develop a voice, and now that I have it, I'm not going to be silent, said Medlin Albright. This is Induvasi Sapna Madhusudan back again to share my thoughts about women empowerment. Women empowerment encompasses more than just ensuring their basic rights. In its truest form, it comprises the aspects of independence, equality, and freedom of expression. Through this, the real strive lies in ensuring that we bring in gender equality. When given a support, women have shone brightly in every field. They discharge their responsibilities to such an extent that they shine and share the light with the rest of the world. They have achieved success in every field, be it a prime minister, an astronaut, or an entrepreneur, etc. Further, women are considered to be the backbone of a family. From daily chores to nurturing children, they handle multiple responsibilities and are great at multitasking. Often, working women are seen to juggle to balance their personal life and professional life efficiently. While the urban areas have working women, the rural areas have still restrained them to daily chores. How can we aspire to prosper as a nation when every child does not get education or the right to make their choices? India is a country where many goddesses are worshipped, but we do not bother about gender equality. Hence, I would like to say all the daughters, mothers, and sisters that we should stand strong and boost up our confidence. We should be the right decision makers and never give up and face all the obstacles that come our way. A woman is a full circle in herself. She can create, nurture, and transform. A strong woman knows that she has strength enough for the journey, but a woman with strength knows that it is in the journey that she will become strong. We know when the mirror of our life gets dirty with the fog of reality, we need to wipe it with faith so that we see the reflection of our dreams coming true. Nobody can knock us off when we stand strong from the pedestal that we have built for ourselves. A very happy Women's Day to all the wonderful women. Thank you and namaste.